Look at this. Nasty. With something wet just fell on my head. Do you see a droplet? Do you see a droplet?
No.
You don't see it?
Right.
Oh, I feel it. No. We just walked under a tree. Maybe like a little like bug or caterpillar or something spit on me. We like watching people walk away. Psych. So anyway, oh, want to see my beautiful art? There she is. Yeah, it's not me at all. Miss Fence. You jumped on it. No, they don't want any.
No, I do.
See that bag right there? She got a picnic up in there. Look at that. Can somebody tell me why one person needs a backpack and a bag for food?
Look, no, it's not
one for work, one for food.
No, it's not for food. It's
Picnic.
for other, okay, it's for food, but it's for like.
Okay, it is for food.
It's because other people always ask me for food, and I always like feel like I always have to have food now. So I feel bad when I don't have it.
That's dumb. You know why? Because you're not their mom. You're not supposed to give them food all the time.
You're rude.
No, that's not rude. You shouldn't feel obligated to feed other people. Tell them go home.
They can't do it in the middle of school.
No, but you know what sucks about that?
What?
She brings all this food, right? And then I don't get any of it. Because you know why? Everyone else eats it before me. Because you know why? Because when she offers me food, it's on the friggin' bus on the way home. When most of it's gone. Or she only has friggin' nasty, crunchy, hurt my teeth, corn nuts left. Not a baby. I don't want goldfish. Babies eat goldfish. Dang, we got here fast. 5212. Wanna know where we are?
Hi, my name's Torian. Hi, my name's Taja. And we...
Go finish.
I don't know. And we are drunk. It's like...
No. That's the product of... I don't even know.
And we are wanting to sell you corn nuts.
No, I hate corn nuts. Ew, wait, what? Oh, that was your house. Crack is whack.
Don't do it.
You hypocrite. Be quiet.
I ain't no hypocrite.
Don't be telling people.
I ain't no hypocrite.
Where are the little kitties? Oh, they're back there. Because you killed them.
We almost ran over a cat this morning. The cat that's always paranoid about cars did not see us coming, and my mom had to slam on the brakes, and I looked at the car and ran, and I was like, could have killed you. I would have. I would have ran it over.
Oh my gosh, that this morning too.
You ran a cat over?
No, we almost did. And then my mom was like, oh,
which cat was it?
I don't even know.
Over.
I don't know. I didn't see it. My mom did.
Another Macy retarded.
You know what? Stop talking about Macy. That's gross. I should get them and throw them at you.
Okay.
But I'm too lazy. Okay.
Enough of the video.
Yeah, too long actually.
Just kidding.